When choosing where to study, Adelaide's lifestyle, affordable cost of living, and the way industry, universities, and government connect to support students made it an easy choice. Adelaide has a strong tech community, but it still feels welcoming and close-knit. It was the perfect place to start building my career and network. Now, I'm a graduate business support officer at the City of Charleston, helping project managers deliver digital transformation and AI solutions through reporting, communication, and coordination. I chose Flinders University for my Masters of Information Technology because of its strong industry connections and innovation culture at the Tonsley Crescent. The technical content was manageable, but the learning style in Australia was different from what I knew back home. It was more inquiry-driven, collaborative, and focused on presentations. I adapted by setting weekly goals using campus support services, joining peer study groups, and working on projects. I attended upskilling programs at Flinders University and StudyAdelaide events, which helped me apply my previous experiences into the local context and stay motivated. I also attended networking nights and employability sessions that helped me understand the local job market and refine my CV and LinkedIn. My network in Adelaide played a big role in my career growth. I built connections through my university's career festival, job fairs across Adelaide, and career development programs organized by both the university and StudyAdelaide. One of my favorite study moments was presenting our capstone to industry guests and getting real practical feedback. Hearing we could actually use this was a big confidence boost. I also valued how quickly Adelaide's tech community welcomed me through meetups, career workshops, and supportive lecturers who were generous with their time. I didn't follow a traditional internship path. I actively gained industry experience on campus. I held a mix of professional and academic roles, supporting students, delivering workshops, troubleshooting technical issues, and working with staff on small digital improvements. That combination of stakeholder engagement, instructional design, and hands-on problem solving led to my current technology role in local government. I now use those same skills to identify needs, prototype solutions, and deliver real outcomes for the community. Although student life was hard work, I always found time to explore the beautiful natural landscapes South Australia has to offer. I love spending time outdoors, hiking, walking the Waterfall Gully, Mount Lofty Trail, or relaxing at the local beaches. Moving to Adelaide gave me a community that embraced me from the beginning. For students looking for their place in the tech industry, I couldn't recommend Adelaide more.